everyone, my name is Madeleine and I am the new marketing intern here at Sundog, and while I am a new face, I am still going to be bringing you the same great tech tip videos. So today I will be giving you 3 tricks to help you work more efficiently and collaborate easier in OneNote. As always, check out our YouTube channel for past tech tip videos and like and subscribe to our channel to stay posted on future videos that we post. So let's get started with our first tip. Alright, so the first trick I'm going to show you is how to annotate an image or a file in OneNote. So with OneNote open here, we go and we press Insert, Pictures, From File, and from there you can select the image that you want to annotate. So I have this testimonial here, and this would be great for if I'm working with a coworker and want to make some edits and make some notes on the image. So you can move the file anywhere you want, which is great, but not really great for annotating. Because, say I want to draw an arrow here. Well, if I go back and I click Select, when I move the image, my annotation does not go with it. The way to fix that is to make sure that your image is selected. It'll have the dash border around it. I'll right-click, select Set Picture as Background, and now my annotations will be set on the image. The only thing here that moves is the text box. So I can make notes here. And move it to where I want, and perhaps create another note. And move it wherever I want. And that is how you annotate a file or an image in OneNote. Okay, the next step I will be showing you is how to create meeting notes in OneNote. So say I have a meeting coming up today or tomorrow, sometime in the near future, and I want to take notes on it, or I've been asked to take notes on it. So in OneNote, I'll go over to my Meetings tab. You don't have to have a tab for this, I just created one. And I'll go over to Home, and then I'll click Meeting Details, and then I'll use this meeting today. And it creates all the meeting details and then a section for notes. So it has the date. You can find this in your Outlook. One thing that's important to note is that you must be using Outlook to use this feature in OneNote. So it'll also have the participants, and it may have some other details like location or an invitation message. My meeting didn't have this when I created it, so obviously it's not going to show up here. So here I can take notes, say I need to send follow-up notes. To whoever, and then say in the meeting they wanted me to send out newsletter next week. So with this, I can create tasks. So I'll go over to Home, click on Outlook Tasks, and say that I need to send out the newsletter next week. So I want to make sure my cursor is on the left of this sentence. So click Home, Outlook Tasks, and then Next Week. And as you can see here, if I go to my Outlook, I can see in my tasks here on the left menu, if I click on that, it'll show me my to-do list, and then it'll have the send out newsletter next week flagged and the due date for it. You can also try the To-Do app, or if you go to todo.microsoft.com, you can find your to-do list there as well. Alright, so you've looked at our tasks in Outlook, and now we're back in OneNote. Say that I want to differentiate between the tasks that I've set for myself. So I'll go to Home and say that this follow-up notes is really important. I need to get on that. So I'll go to the little button on the left of this pane right here, and you can see I have a lot of tags that I can do. There's a variety of different tags that you can pick, but I'm going to say important for this one. I really need to get that done. So it'll have a star here, and then if I want a space to see all of my tasks, I can go here to Find Tags, and I can see all my tagged notes. And they're organized by important. I can see who is in my meeting, what I have going on next week, today. So you can see a summary of all your tags here. Okay, my third and final tip for you is when you need notes in a pinch. Say you stop for some coffee on your way to work and you're running a little late for your meeting and you just don't have time to set up meeting notes. So what you can do is go over here to the top, press View, and add New Quick Note. And it'll pop up in this little square and you can take whatever notes you need during the meeting. So press Enter, and then after the meeting, or say your quick notes just keep piling up, you can go here till you can see all your notebooks. You'll press Quick Notes, and you can see all the quick notes that you've ever taken will show up in this notebook right here. So this is good for if you need to take notes. As the name implies, quick. You just don't have time to set up a whole notebook or page for your meeting. You can just type these notes in really quickly. Thank you for hanging out with me in OneNote today. I hope you learned something that will make your work, your teamwork, your meetings, anything like that just a little bit easier. If you can, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. And thank you, and we'll see you next time.